Hello students, my today's topic is for MCA semester 4 student and the paper is ERP. In ERP, today we will see in unit 3 the financial system in ERP. ERP system brings together a variety of business process and facilitate to the movement of data between them, and finances are the core of those business process. An ERP finance module supplies all the other modules with the necessary data to carry their jobs. Without financial information in ERP system, the program would operate within a vacuum. After all, how can you efficiently conduct more advanced process such as automatic recording points when you don't know how much money you have available to spend on materials? ERP financial system work with every department in your company, allowing you to make sound decision and increase productivity. Next, now we will see what are the benefits of an ERP financial system. The ERP financial system is the heart of ERP software system. We will see the benefits one by one. First one, it improves productivity. Productivity will immediately increase once you automate and time wasting tasks. Second, complete financial transparency. The analytics and will provide authorized user with everything that they need to know about the organization finance. Third is informed planning and budgeting. The analyst and reporting functions will allow you to forecast cost and potential revenue, the design of your budget accordingly. Next point is real-time financial monitoring. From a strange transaction to spike in sales, you will always know what is going on within your financial sector at the exact moment. Next is minimized human error. Accounting mistakes such as data entry errors are common but can be detected and avoided with the help of ERP financial softwares. Next is organization and tracking of electronic invoices and financial documents. The digital format prevents misplacing or losing documents, and they will automatically be filled into the proper place. Next, mobility. If you elect a cloud-based system, you will be able to access your financial tool anywhere, anytime. Next, no missed payments. Account payable will notify you of upcoming payments, or you will choose to have them taken out automatically. Next is integration. Financial ERP modules integrate with other business systems such as CRM, Customer Relationship Management, CRM, which will provide sales numbers and marketing budgets. And the last point is centralization. It is the main hub where you can access all your company's financial information in one place. So that's all from today's lecture in ERP for financial management. Thank you.